Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your country or region on your TikTok. So, first of all, let me show you. My TikTok is currently on Nepal. So, if I want to change my country or region on TikTok, what I'll need to do is go to my Play Store or App Store and then type in VPN. And now you can download any VPN. So I'll simply download the first VPN which is recommended. Now wait for it to download, and as soon as it is downloaded, simply open the app. Now accept and continue. Now simply connect to any VPN. And now once you're connected to a VPN, mine is currently set to Singapore. So now my TikTok FYP will mostly show videos from Singapore. So that is basically how you change region or your country on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.